To be honest, I'm not completely sure.
I think a stem cell is a cell that's not really specialized.
Cell that you have inside your body
that can divide to be many different types of cells.
I think it has something to do with your DNA, maybe?
I know that they're involved in a lot of research and there's a lot of debate going on about them.
The cells in our body that repair and replenish our tissues.
I guess stress. Smoking or drinking.
Exercise can definitely increase the number of stem cells.
Probably not sleeping enough, drinking, or other drugs, and I guess just natural aging.
So what exactly is a stem cell? A stem cell is any cell in the body that has the potential to differentiate into various other cells.
It all begins with when a fertilized egg develops into totipotent stem cells, named because they can turn into any cell in the body. These continue to differentiate into embryonic stem cells, which develop throughout the course of the development of the fetus into multipotent adult stem cells.
Postnatally, these cells play two crucial roles. One, they differentiate into all the different cells of the body during development, and two, they are essential to the body's repair mechanism.
However, the regenerative potential of these adult stem cells is limited, and the behaviors we tend to engage in as college students, such as poor diet, alcohol, and smoking, can damage these cells and therefore affect our long-term health.
Stem cells aren't high maintenance. It's as simple as putting into your body what you want to get out. We all know that eating healthy is essential to maintaining good health. But as hard as it is with the typical college meal choices, it is essential to eat healthy, not only to keep your body functioning in the short run, but in the long term as well.
The type of stem cell most affected by diet is the mesenchymal stem cell, or MSC, which is important in the development and maintenance of the musculoskeletal system.
MSCs rely on their nutritional environment to rapidly regenerate and fix the body. Caloric restriction is arguably the most significant contributor to MSC regeneration. In the short term, keeping caloric intake at a low but healthy level boosts regenerative capabilities of MSCs as well as enhances tissue function. Conversely, research has shown that over or malnutrition results in the loss of stem cells.
Antioxidants are another component of a good diet that benefits stem cells. By eating foods such as dried fruit, colorful berries, and spices such as turmeric, you can reduce your chances of DNA damage by oxidative stress, which destroys stem cells.
Following a healthy diet improves your chances of living healthier for a longer period of time, since your body is fully equipped with the machinery necessary to replace non-functioning cells.
We certainly cannot deny that alcohol is extremely prevalent on college campuses, and as such, it is a significant concern for our health. More than half of all drinking occurs in the form of binge drinking, in which a large portion of alcohol is consumed in a short period of time. Research shows that alcohol consumption directly affects the process of neurogenesis, by which neurons are generated from neural stem cells and progenitor cells. Alcohol directly inhibits the proliferation of neural stem cells in the brain. Most of the literature reports around a 50% decrease in the number of proliferating cells in the adult brain when engaging in binge drinking. Other studies have shown that if you become an alcoholic, you might just inhibit your NAC proliferation altogether. But there's hope yet. Several studies indicate that exercise, learning, and an enriched environment may reverse the effect of alcohol consumption and increase NSC proliferation. However, the extent of this regeneration is not well understood. Ultimately, alcohol directly influences our neural stem cells and the process of generating neurons. Neuronal death may also result due to increases in oxidative stress and pro-inflammatory cytokines induced by alcohol. We may want to think twice about picking up that beer can, as it affects our health now and for the rest of our lives.
Most of us understand that along with lung disease, heart disease is a major consequence of cigarette smoking. The toxins that are present in the cigarette smoke cause damage to the blood vessel endothelium, eventually leading to atherosclerosis, which can cause heart attack. Fortunately, endothelial progenitor cells, or EPCs, which are derived from hematopoietic stem cells, are present in the body's peripheral circulation. These EPCs can differentiate into new endothelial cells and therefore repair the damaged endothelium. However, the toxins present in cigarette smoke also cause damage to EPCs. One study found that the number of EPCs present among smokers was decreased by over 50% compared to non-smokers. This continuous cycle of endothelial damage and EPC mobilization to repair the damage can cause a depletion of the EPC supply in the body. And as explained previously, once the body's stem cell reserve runs out, there is nowhere else the body can draw from. This will lead to an accumulation of damages, which can eventually cause premature death. But there is some good news. An increase in the number of circulating EPCs was noted amongst individuals who quit smoking.
So why should you care about your stem cells?
Poor diet can result in decreased mesenchymal stem cells, which impairs the body's ability to repair muscular and skeletal tissue, leading to premature signs of aging.
Alcohol impairs neuronal stem cells, which can lead to decreased cognitive function, and smoking leads to impairment of the endothelial progenitor cells, which can cause an increased risk of heart disease.
Although the consequences of unhealthy behaviors such as poor diet, alcohol, and smoking seem a world away, each French fry, each puff of smoke, and each shot of alcohol are bringing us closer to an early death.